Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hussein Basourrah, and this individual project for course EE 472, and the topic that I will talk about is fiber tractography. Our agenda is introduction and the history and what is fiber tractography, and what does tractography measure and how it's work, and the application, and finally the reference. So now I will talk about the introduction first of all. Okay, the MRI sequence use look at the symmetry of water diffusion in the brain. Bundles of fiber tract make the water diffuse asymmetrically in tensor. The major axis parallel to the direction of fibers. There is a direct relationship between the number of fiber and the degree of anisotropia. DTI assumes the direction of least restriction corresponds to the direction of white matter tract diffusion. MRI was introduced in 1985. So the history of the fiber tractography. The traditional TDI used six diffusion characterized to model how water molecules diffusion in brain tissue and make axonal fiber tract possible. In 2009, Learning Research Development Center at University of Basourrah launched the 2009 brain competition to invite the best research team to work on the problem. A prize of $10,000 was offered to the team that could track optic radiation, and team from 168 countries took part in the competition. A winning team from Taiwan revealed Meyer loop, which no other team had successfully tracked. The key to the method was multiple observation of water molecule and improved algorithm to better competition how actions connect brain. The technique was further developed as high-definition fiber tractography between the University of Pittsburgh and Carnegie Mellon University. What is fiber tractography? Fiber tractography is 3D reconstruction technique to assess neural tracts using data collected by diffusion sensor imaging. Diffusion weight imaging is based on the measurement of thermal motion of water molecule. So what does tractography measure? Tractography measure magnitude resonant diffusion tractography is method for the identify white matter pathway in the living human brain. Those pathways from substrate for information transfer between remote brain regions and are therefore central to our understanding of function in both the normal disease brain. How it's done? Tractography is performed using data from diffusion MRI. Bundles of axion provide a rare parenthetical diffusion and path of parallel diffusion along the orientation of the fiber. Anisotrophic diffusion is expected to be increased in area of high matter axonal order. So the application high diffusion fiber tractography has been applied to traumatic brain injury (TBI) to identify which brain connections have been broken, which are still intact. Allow neurologists to localize fiber breaks caused by traumatic brain injury to provide better diagnosis and prognosis. It could also provide an objective way to identify brain injury, predict outcome, and planning rehabilitation. Can also be used to determine optimal surgical operation for difficult to reach tumors and physical malformation. And this our references, and thank you for listening.